I've just had some exciting news from my mortgage broker about a new buy-to-let mortgage product. There are two 2-year and two 5-year fixed-rate products, all available up to 75% loan-to-value. The rates on the 2-year product start at 4.8% if the property has an EPC between C and A, or at 4.85% for properties with EPCs D or E. And the stress test is at 6.8% for the cheaper product and 6.85% for the more expensive product. The 5-year fixed-rate mortgages start at 5% for properties with EPCs between C and A, increasing to 5.05% for properties that are assessed at D or E. And the stress test for both of these is at 5.5%. Now, the great thing is that all of these fixed-rate mortgages come with free valuations and with £350 cashback. All 4 of these mortgages are available for purchases and remortgages, for properties that are single lets, for properties that are HMOs, in other words properties in multiple occupation, and also for multi-unit blocks. So if you'd like me to put you in touch with my very good mortgage broker about this product, or about other buy-to-let products, or HMO lending or serviced accommodation lending, bridging, development finance, or whatever it happens to be, any aspect of property finance, just drop me an email at peter@thepropertyteacher.co.uk. That's peter@thepropertyteacher.co.uk, and I'll put you in touch straight away.